In today's video, I'm going to teach you some simple yet effective techniques to enhance your experience using Microsoft Word. These tips will help you master the basics of document editing and make the most out of your time working within this versatile software. Now let's get started with the first step, locating your Microsoft Word file. To begin, make sure you have Microsoft Word open. If you haven't already, go ahead and open the file that you want to work on. This could be either a new document or an existing one that needs editing or additional content. Once you have your file open, one handy feature of Microsoft Word that often surprises many is the ability to type anywhere in your document. You don't have to start at the traditional starting point or follow the rigid structure of pages. Instead, you can easily place the cursor wherever you'd like, making Microsoft Word resemble a canvas you're completely in control of. To do this, simply move your mouse to the area in the document where you want to begin typing. It could be at the top, the middle, or even the bottom of the page. Once you've positioned your mouse in the desired location, perform a quick double-click. This action will firmly bring the cursor to that exact spot, transforming your screen into an open invitation for typing. At this point, it's common to think, have I done this correctly? The clear indication is the blinking cursor, signaling that the text will now appear right where you've placed it. Feel free to start typing your thoughts, notes, or content needed for your document. The ease of typing anywhere directly counters the restrictive block paragraph styles, enabling creativity and efficiency. With practice, this method can become an effortless part of your day-to-day workflow, whether you're drafting a report or jotting down ideas for your next big project. The flexibility allows for organization at your discretion, which is a game changer for visual thinkers or those who prefer a non-linear approach to developing their documents. Remember, the ultimate goal here is to feel comfortable and in control of your workspace in Microsoft Word. This hack simplifies your process, allowing you to edit or input information rapidly without the back and forth that sometimes slows down productivity. So there you have it. We've successfully navigated steps that seem small but can significantly enhance how you interact with your document editors. By understanding and utilizing the freedom to type anywhere, you not only save time but also ensure that your workflow is as seamless and natural as possible. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in your future projects. Enjoy crafting your Word documents with newfound ease.